Finally, biggest opportunity is out. Interview is going on 17th of December. This is direct interview opportunity. There is no shortlisting, but you have to fill the form. And there is one more opportunity coming from one more company, which is for 24-25 pass out only. And there is business analyst, software engineer role is also in this video. So in this video there is multiple hiring, 5 opportunity I am going to share with you. This is going to be a mass opportunity, so don't skip this video. Do subscribe my channel, and I already uploaded upgrade assessment test videos. Just go and apply for that opportunity because they are constantly sending the assessment mail, so please grab that assessment. Okay, so the company name is Syntaxa. This company is going to be hosting our walk and drive for the associate software developer position. 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. Basically 25, 24, 23 batches eligible. 17th of December is going to be a walk and drive or direct interview opportunity. You have to click on this link, but you can also see 17th associate software engineer. You can also scan, but I'm going to share with you this opportunity. So if you see a associate software developer role is there, fresher only is eligible, Jaipur location, full-time opportunity, no internship. This is direct full-time opportunity with 5 LPA package. And if you scroll down what to add in resume, there is multiple domain is written, but all are related to enterprise skill. Okay, and if you read responsibilities part, then there is software applications. ठीक है, senior developer कोलैब करके तुमको उनके साथ सॉफ्टवेयर रिक्वायरमेंट डेवलपमेंट करनी है. मीन्स दिस इज प्योर टेक्निकल रोल, बट what is written here only enterprise skill. So we have to put all these enterprise skill on our resume with exact like this bullet points. ठीक है, and what to add in resume because this is pure technical role. See GitHub, SDLC, anyone programming, web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SDLC or testing. If you know, you can also put that domain, debugging or testing because testing or debugging is written here, or any domain like full stack Java, full stack Python. If you know, database front end is there, back end is there. So put all these domain on your resume because as a software engineer you are applying. So these are the basic domain. Like if you see a SDLC is there, okay, many more domain is written here. You can also read this part, but candidate who are new to Salesforce or ServiceNow can also apply. As we provide intensive hands-on training on which Salesforce or ServiceNow. So don't worry, just apply it as soon as possible. This is 6-month initial training period going on with this will help every candidate, okay, build a strong technical fundamental. That's why I already told you, if you don't know Salesforce, ServiceNow, you can also apply. They are providing training, that's it. And a logical skill, analytical ability and basic coding knowledge is compulsory, ठीक है, which I already told you. Programming and each and everything which is related to software engineer, software developer domain, because this is pure IT role, ठीक है. So the main thing you have to understand, 17th December 7:30 PM and 18th December 9 AM is going to be a big walk and drive direct interview opportunity. Click on apply now and apply it as soon as possible. There is perk and benefit is written there. There is no dress code, paid leaves is there, ठीक है, 5-day working, flexible work, car training, mentorship, in demand skill set is there. So there is many perk and benefit. Don't think too much, just hit the apply button as soon as possible because 17 or 18 going to be an interview. Maybe there is shortlisting, but I already told you have to update your resume and put these domain which is written here. That's it. हमें तो update करना ही है. So please apply it as soon as possible. Now biggest opportunity is announced, Fidelity apprenticeship under 24-25 only pass out is eligible, and this is also a big mega hiring going on. Undergrad student graduating in 24-25. But if you see here that BCom, BBA, BSc is eligible without backlog, ठीक है, but only 24-25 batches eligible. Now only few basic domain is needed, ठीक है, बहुत ही बेसिक भाई, बेसिक डेटा एंट्री स्किल, ठीक है, MS Office, Suite, Excel and enterprise skill is mandatory. That's it. These are mandatory skill which is written here. There is 2 location basically, Chennai and Bangalore location. This is pure IT level opportunity and this is pure entry level opportunity because this opportunity exclusively for undergrads and engineering grads are not eligible for this. That's why here is written BCom, BBA, BSc. So please apply it as soon as possible, and any branch, any stream is eligible. You can apply it as soon as possible. And where is the apply button? You have to click on this button and apply it as soon as possible. But please update your resume because these only is mandatory. सिर्फ इतने 5 पॉइंट हैं, as it is भी कर दोगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Shortlisting easily हो जाएगी यहाँ पे. Because what the meaning of apprenticeship is, they will also provide you training. One more biggest opportunity is announced. United Health Group software engineer role is the Hyderabad location. If you see all graduates is eligible with these AI/ML domain, so please apply it as soon as possible. If you want to take referral, you can easily take referral also. And one more last opportunity I am going to share with you that VMOC announced a business analyst role take one day ago. And if you scroll down here, you can also see that BTech from Delhi top college is compulsory. 0 to 3 year of experience is needed, and these enterprise skill is mandatory. But I'm going to telling you that if you are from Delhi colleges, then you can easily apply for this. But don't miss this opportunity, which is United Health Group, and second one is Fidelity, third one is Intaxa. Don't skip, don't miss these opportunities. This is going to be a big opportunity, ठीक है, except VMOC. So please apply it as soon as possible. Don't miss, don't skip this opportunity. And see, if you want to go there, और मेरे हिसाब से जाना चाहिए. If you are a fresher and you are sitting at your home, then भाई नहीं होगा ऐसे, ठीक है. They are providing you 5 LPA with a basic knowledge. With even they are saying if you don't know this, we are going to provide you a training, hands-on training. If you don't know Salesforce service, so please go there, showcase your technical skill, basic level of project if you add in your resume, tell them about your skill. That's it. इतना ही बोलना है, तुम्हारा काम हो जाएगा. Put that domain on your resume and please go there, complete it, updated resume को यूज करना, ठीक है. अप्लाई के टाइम तीनों में तभी शॉर्टलिस्टिंग होगी. So please apply it as soon as possible. Like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.